Hey guys, John here with Vapor Holding Technologies today. I wanted to share something super exciting with you. If you guys have not seen the previous social media posts on Instagram and Facebook, you get to see it now. One of the things that we're doing over the next couple months here is we're giving away a lot of product. Specifically hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of product that we're going to be giving away to viewers like you. And all you guys have to do is you have to subscribe to each of our channels and share this content with all your friends and family the most to be put into a drawing to receive some of the free products that we're giving away. One of the things that we have here in front of us today is a brand new Weekend Warrior machine that we have in our showroom, and this is one of the products that we're going to be giving away. A machine like this, something that you could put in your shop or your garage. And I know there are thousands and hundreds of thousands of people that are pumped about this. So we are currently monitoring the traffic. We see who is posting the most. And that's one thing that we want you guys to do, is be able to promote this the most so that you can be put in the drawing for some of the free products. We're going to be giving away a micro hone, a Weekend Warrior, a Base 800, an 800 PFL, and a VH1000 over the next couple months here. And that is a huge, huge giveaway. So if you do not have a product, or if you have a product and you're using it and you just want something else to put into your arsenal, share this content the most with your friends and family and get it out to the world so that they can see how fantastic this process is. And then you can be put into a drawing to receive a fantastic brand new product. We're not going to be sending you something that's used. We're going to be sending you a brand new product that you're going to be able to use and have fun with and make money with. So get excited, because we sure are. And we are looking forward to announcing some of the first few winners here for this free product giveaway. So hope you guys enjoy the content. If you like the content, keep hitting that thumbs up button. Keep subscribing to all of our social media outlets, Facebook, Instagram, and keep sharing away, guys. We're looking forward to naming some people and getting some people's product. Thanks for watching. Take care.